Hey there, welcome back. So today we will check yet another scenario where polymorphism could be used. So first of all, let us quickly fix one thing. In here, the classes names are given as Nokia 3310 and Samsung Note 8, which is not proper and not depicting a proper scenario. So let us quickly rename these two classes, and Eclipse will smartly also update the references. So I suppose after these two changes, nothing else need to be done, and Eclipse take care about everything else. Alright, so our program should still work. Alright, now moving forward, we would be adding a new method, and this method will return a object of phone type. Alright, so now let us add a method in here. This would be a public method, and the return type would be phone. So we are returning a object of phone type. The name of the method would be phone, and this will receive a parameter, for example, daily driver. All right, and in here, based on this variable, we will add in a switch case. Switch would be based on this daily driver variable, and case 1 would be, we will be returning an object of Nokia type. So let's return Nokia. Oops, we have forget the keyword new, Nokia, and model could be like 3310. So this looks cool, and as we are like making use of this return statement, there is no need to add the break statement in here. That's all right. The control will anyway get returned to the called method. Now let us code for case 2. So we will return a object of Samsung mobile, and let's initialize this with Note 5 maybe. Note 5 is the phone which I am currently using. So let's use Note 5 model number. This is cool, and now we need to also add the return statement after the switch case. Just in case the daily driver value is not 1 or 2, then we will return null, which is perfect. Now firstly, we are returning the object of Nokia type, so let us bring this code before Samsung. This looks good. Now friends, in here, now in order to get the object, we won't be making use of this statement. Rather, we will make use of this phone method. Now friends, this phone method is not a static method, so we need to create an object of hello class, then only we would be able to access this phone method. So we can do that easily. We can either do like this, new hello dot phone, and pass in the value like, for example, 1. So this is one case, or alternatively we can mark this particular method as a static, and we can directly access like this phone method. So both the ways are good enough, but we will go with the previous way, and we will not mark the method as static. We will deal with a static keyword in our later videos. Alright, so let us also do the same in here. So I will say new hello, which is the anonymous object for this hello class, and then we will make use of hello method, and we will pass in 2. Now what we are doing is we are generating a object based on a method, and this method is returning a object. But even then, our program will work properly, and we can see that the feature method is being called automatically, means the switching is done properly. For example, in case of Nokia class, we don't have the feature method, but the feature method has been called from our parent class. But in the case of Samsung class, we have the method features. So the features method from the Samsung class has been called automatically. So this is again a yet another very simple scenario where polymorphism could be used, and this is it, I suppose. And I would recommend you guys to research more on polymorphism if you like. Polymorphism is a very important concept when it comes to real life programming. Thanks for watching.